This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Nice to see the sun back out here in West Michigan after a cloudy weekend. The one thing that hasn't changed is the high humidity. Is that going to change anytime soon? Well, 13 WEATHERBALL is green. No change to the very warm, humid weather pattern foreseen in this view, sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Our dog walking forecast going to give you the green paw for Morgan and Donnie there, Lindsley. It's going to be warm this evening, and it will also be warm in the morning. Temperatures only around 70 when you wake up, but a green paw for all of your dog walking conditions. Out on Lake Michigan, waves are running about a foot or so, and they'll start to go up again later on tonight as winds start to come up from the southwest. So your Lake Michigan forecast calling for 2-footers at the north end of the lake as the winds turn around to the southwest, but mainly clear skies overnight. Maybe some high clouds. We'll have to watch out for a shower, perhaps around Ludington northward later on this evening. Temperatures have fallen back a bit, upper 50s to around 60 northern part of the lake. South half of the lake, though, in the 70s. Your green energy report, not quite as much sunshine here tomorrow as we saw today, but still mostly sunny, a 7.4 out of a 10-point scale. A little bit more wind across the area, so also some electricity being generated by the wind. We've had a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds and otherwise a sunny day. Back to the west, we're tracking a couple of scattered showers over northern Wisconsin. The question is whether or not they'll make it down into lower Michigan. But for the most part, models are seeing those are going to be washing out next couple of hours. There'll be another round coming out of the UP into northern lower Michigan. Really the only chance here in West Michigan, it's a very low chance, will come here on a Tuesday night into Wednesday morning as a cold front moves on through. Sunshine and a little bit high humidity on Wednesday. We'll lose some of that here by Friday, but another sunny day coming up on Thursday. Friday will also be sunny. On Saturday, it may turn out to be like this weekend. We'll see mostly cloudy skies, and overnight Saturday night into Sunday is when our best chance for showers will come in our area, but we're not looking at any severe weather with any of these systems. Long range outlook, this is the end of July through August 1. Most of the country, if not all, going to see higher chances for warmer than average temperatures. By that time, our highs have peaked. We'll be in the low 80s, around 82 to 83, and the 7-day period that starts on July 26th, we have a equal chance for more or less rainfall. Highest chances for rain will be in the southeast and in the southwest U.S. Tonight, we're looking at mostly clear skies, Ludington and Hart with mid-60s there, upper 60s down south. Up north, you can expect a mostly clear skies in the mid-60s, and from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at overnight lows in the mid and upper 60s. 13 on your side forecast. We'll see temperatures around 90 here tomorrow and mid-80s through Friday. We'll lose a little bit of that humidity on Friday. Overnight shower or a thunderstorm Saturday night. Early next week, we'll be in the low and mid-80s and then recovering into the mid-80s next week.
Boy, it was a hot one out there today. You know, I don't normally like to use the air conditioner in my car.
Yeah, you did today?
Used it today for the first time this summer. I couldn't take it. I don't know what it was.
Well, people who like this weather, they're going to probably like your forecast, right, George?
Absolutely. No change coming in our direction. Could use a little bit more rain. Didn't see any over the weekend here in Grand Rapids. Just cloudy skies. We're nice to have that sun back. Let's check the 13 WEATHERBALL. It is green. No change to the very warm, if not hot and humid weather pattern foreseen. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Temperatures today climbed into the upper 80s away from the lakeshore, 89 here in Grand Rapids, and that came within 1 degree of our forecast high here during the day today. That's actually Sunday's forecast. Your monthly almanac, 0.8 of a degree cooler than average, so we're welcoming the warm weather. We've had half the amount of rain we should have here in Grand Rapids, and we could use a little more sunshine, 20% less than we usually have up to this point in the month. Just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. You notice in the northwestern part of viewing area, starting to see some high clouds come down from the north and west. That's because there are some showers and thunderstorms up over northern Wisconsin. The question is whether or not they're going to make it down here into West Michigan. See some of the high clouds from those, and this is tomorrow morning. Maybe a shower up toward the Big Rapids area, but here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we're going to stay dry. Another cold front is going to try to make an attempt to come on through, but most of the active weather on a Tuesday is going to stay to our north as well. There might be a small chance of a passing shower. That's Tuesday night, but you'll wake up to a lot of sunshine here during the day on Wednesday. Wednesday. So we're going to see sunshine on Wednesday. We'll see sunshine on Thursday as well. And even on Friday, as we get toward the weekend, we'll get a little bit of break from the humidity for at least 24 hours before more high humidity comes in on Saturday. Saturday night and Sunday is when our best chance for any meaningful rain will come in our direction. And that could be as much as we have seen so far this month of June, at least here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for mostly sunny skies. Will be in the mid-80s up north, 88 in Muskegon, 88 in Holland. That's a little bit warmer than you were today. Dew points will remain high in the 60s. Up north, it'll be mostly sunny and hot and humid. Highs 90 plus, especially along US 10. A little closer to Lake Michigan, you may be 89 there in Fremont. And from Grand Rapids south, where we're looking at highs right around 90 to as warm as 92 down in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Best chance of rain will come Saturday night into early Sunday morning as we jump back into the upper 80s. We'll tone the temperatures down a little bit starting on a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Next week and late in the weekend, we'll be back down to the low and mid 80s. We'll finally lose some of that humidity along about the following Wednesday with highs back up into the mid 80s.